Okay, so let's talk about these things for a second. So these are those plants you get pretty much anywhere. They're like lucky bamboo. Sometimes they'll come in like a little glass vial with just the plant sticking out the end with some water in it. So they're not actually bamboo, but what they do is pretty much grow like a weed. It will grow in small containers, big containers. You can cut them at a certain point and regenerate them. I'll give you a good example. This was a piece of one, and you can see how it started a new shoot right there. So these things are kind of neat, but you can plant them. This all came from like literally 2 plants, and now we have like 4 containers filled of them from just regenerations. See, here's another one that started off another one. So I'm going to plant these in a couple of different pots, but like I said, I mean, there's 3 right there that I just pulled out, and all 3 of those came off of one plant. There's another one that's got a regeneration on the side. And then, you know, you could cut this off, or this will probably sprout another one, so I'm just going to leave it. But so these things are kind of neat. But anyway, here's one. And they don't always take. Like that one, I tried to start a new one and it didn't take. But this one did on the side here. So I'm going to trim these up and then plant them. right, this is the finished product. So these are all the clippings off the Lucky Bamboo plant, which is just a whole bunch. So those will take, and then those can be transplanted into something bigger or made into something. I put one in this hanging pot, and then this is what's left of the big one. And it won't take long before that takes over that again. This is a mini rose plant. It's coming back, as you can see. An aloe, and that started out really tiny. Got that last year. Some of the tall bamboos. Sago. Another sago back there. So everything's doing great.